In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Survey with Zoho CRM, whether you're conducting market research or gathering customer feedback. Integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your data collection process and enhance your overall customer relationship management strategy. We'll walk through each step to ensure that your integration process is seamless and efficient. To get started, let's begin by accessing the Zoho Survey dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage all aspects of your surveys. Once you've logged into your Zoho Survey account, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout and features. This will help you navigate more easily as you proceed with the integration. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the My Account option. Typically, you'll find this in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard. Clicking here will direct you to your account settings, where you can manage various aspects of your Zoho Survey environment, including integrations. From the My Account section, look for an option labeled Manage Portal. This section is where you can oversee and customize the settings specific to your survey portal, including integrating with other Zoho applications, which is our main focus today. Once you're inside the Manage Portal section, the next step is to navigate to Apps and Services. This menu is crucial as it lists all the available Zoho apps and external services that you can connect to your Zoho Survey account. Integrating with Zoho CRM specifically allows you to automatically sync responses collected from surveys into your CRM system, creating a more centralized and organized data repository for you and your team. With the Apps and Services menu open, you'll now select the CRM you want to integrate with. Since we are focusing on integrating with Zoho CRM today, you'll naturally choose that option from the list presented. It's important to ensure that your CRM account is properly set up before heading into this step for a smooth integration. Throughout this process, make sure to double-check any prompts or settings to ensure that the sync between Zoho Survey and Zoho CRM aligns perfectly with your business needs. By integrating these two platforms, you'll not only save time, but also enhance the accuracy of your customer data management. Thank you for joining today's session on integrating Zoho Survey with Zoho CRM. Remember to check back with us for more tutorials and tips on making the best use of your Zoho suite. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below or contact Zoho support directly. Have a great day and happy integrating.